Let's dive right into this explainer. We're tackling microorganisms and exactly how you prompt an AI teacher. Like our AI teacher says, Ibacha? These invisible microbes impact everything from your daily yogurt to illnesses. Let's quickly hit the basics. What actually makes a microorganism, well, micro? It's literally just their size. They're so incredibly tiny, like dust motes dancing in the sunlight. Tier Ru Nu, the biggest trap on your exam, thinking all microbes are bad germs. Don't fall for it. Now, viruses are super weird. They're borderline living and non-living. But why are they caught in the middle? It's because they literally can't reproduce on their own. They desperately need to hijack a host cell first. Think of a virus like a smartphone with zero battery, totally useless until it plugs into a host. Remember, not all microbes are villains. Beneficial ones are absolutely essential for our daily life in Ethiopia. For example, do you know which microbe ferments our traditional ergo and injera dough? That's right, it's bacteria. Gobes. These little guys are the secret to our absolute favorite foods. Picture these bacteria as tiny, invisible chefs working hard to make our milk and tefto perfect. What about out in our fields? What's the actual role of decomposer microbes? They break down dead organic matter, pumping rich, vital nutrients straight back into the soil. They're essentially the ultimate cleanup crew after a huge wedding feast, magically turning scraps into rich fertilizer. Let's shift to medicine. Do you know the original source of the life-saving antibiotic, penicillin? Crazy enough, it's a fungus. Let's break down exactly why you need to know this for the exam. This fungus acts like a tiny soldier making chemical weapons. We just borrow them to destroy bad bacteria. Now for the bad guys. Pathogens cause disease. They're basically nasty, unwanted weeds invading your body's garden. Memorize these. TB is a bacterial intruder. Malaria is a protozoan taxi passenger, and HIV is a virus. So, what's our game plan? How do we stop these dangerous pathogens from spreading everywhere? It's super simple. Regular hand washing with just soap and water is literally your absolute best defense. Soap acts just like a super slippery floor, effortlessly washing those bad microbes right down the drain. Want this awesome AI teacher for Unit 3 cell biology? Just plug in this exact prompt. Gabez, you crushed Unit 4. What other tricky subjects could an AI teacher help you master next?